Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got POCO C50, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and of course find the contact you'd like to edit, and then you can simply tap on it. Now let's pick this pencil icon. And as you can see here, we've got this camera icon in the circle, so let's tap. And we've got like two different options from which we can choose. So we can so we can either pick to take a photo, and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, and you can catch a photo of him or her, or you've got a really good environment, pretty environment, and so on, or whatever. If you want to take a photo, just pick this option. I will choose a photo. I will pick this option because thanks to this I can pick something from the gallery. So let me tap on it, and here we have to decide where we want to complete the action, so I'll pick the gallery. Now we have to find the photo and tap on it. And here from this tab we can adjust the position of the photo, we can adjust the size of the highlighted square, we can also zoom in or out the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. We can also rotate the picture. It's up to you how you want to set it. If you're happy with your choice, just tap on done. And as you can see, the photo has been applied to the circle. So now we have to tap on save, remember about that. And here, this is how our contact looks like. You will be able to see this photo on the contact list, and for example during all incoming calls from that number or texting. So basically that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.